It is a new electronic ozone generator. The tap water will convert to ozonated water. The device is compatible with different water capacity from 1.5 to 4 liters. It has the timer with the 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes time options. The device is compatible with the 5 voltage adapter 1 to 3 ampere. First step, just plug in, click the button, turn on and off button. Blue light on indicates the ozone generator starts to work. It is an ideal solution for vegetables and fruits cleaning, pesticide remover, and so on. Also, it's good for household cleaning, sanitizing, and deodorization. Chemical-free and safety. Also, the product has approved the food safety certification. The package and the product also support customization with your logo. So please contact with us to get your detailed quotation.